Hello, welcome back to Health Nature Homeopathy. I am Dr. Mohammad Shamnish with Dr. Solia Shamnish, consultant homeopath at Arha Health Group. This is a Materia Medica section, and today I am going to discuss about belladonna. Its common name is deadly nightshade and in the family Solanaceae. Origin and action of drug. The Venetians, that means people from Venice, named the plant Herba belladonna from the circumstance that the ladies used it distilled in water as a cosmetic to brighten the eyes and cheeks. Conformably with this, the pain of belladonna run downward, that is away from the head. Cases of belladonna poisoning have frequently been mistaken for cases of scarlatina, but it is the smooth form only, these presenting a smooth, even red surface that came under its controlling action and prophylaxis. When such an epidemic is about, anyone who may be exposed to infection may obtain almost certain immunity by taking belladonna 2 or 3 times a day. The several points to be remembered about belladonna are that it is a medicine which has great general sensitiveness and also sensitiveness to special senses, sensitive to light, to slightest noise, to motion or jar as when someone touches the bed. This is one feature which rendered belladonna so appropriate in hydrophobia. The great intensity and variety of the head pain has caused by belladonna to be regarded as the headache medicine. Belladonna is a great children's remedy, not less important than chamomilla. Constitution and appearance. Women and children with light hair, blue eyes, fine complexion and delicate skin, adapted to bilious lymphatic plethoric constitution. Tubercular patient, sensitive, nervous, threatened with convulsions. This section is for catching belladonna easily. Bella means beautiful. Donna means lady. That is beautiful lady. One day she become a bride. B for burning. R for redness and right-sided. I for inflammation. D for dryness and E for exposure of draft of air. Pain usually in short attacks. It comes suddenly, lasts indefinitely and ceases suddenly. Dryness of mouth and throat with or without thirst. Heat, redness and burning are the 3 great characteristics of belladonna. It is a chilly medicine sensitive to changes from warm to cold, to draft of air, to damp weather, from having the head uncovered, from having the hair cut. Predominantly a right-sided remedy. Complaints associated with hot and red skin, flushed face, glaring eyes, throbbing of brain and carotid, hyperesthesia of all senses, restless sleep, convulsive movements. Next is aggravation from motion and noises, uncovering the head and draft of air, looking at bright shining objects, lying down, summer sun, and amelioration from being wrapped up in warm room, standing or sitting erect, and rest. Mental generals are mainly hallucinations and violent delirium. Persons who are lively and entertaining when well, but violent, often delirious when sick. In hallucinations, fear of imaginary things wants to run away from them. Imagines he sees ghosts, hideous faces, and various insects, black animals, dogs, and wolves. That is visual hallucination. Violent delirium with disposition to bite, spit, strike and tear things. Break into fit of laughter and gnashes the teeth. Wants to bite and strike the attendants and try to escape. Head symptoms are mainly vertigo and headache. There is a peculiar symptom seen in belladonna, which is boring the head into the pillow during sleep and in hydrocephalus, which is also seen in Apis, Helleborus and Podophyllum. Vertigo when stooping, when rising after stooping, on every change of position. Headache with rush of blood to head and face. Headache congestive with red face, throbbing of brain and carotid. Right-sided headache. Aggravation from slight noise, jar, motion, light, lying down, least exertion. Amelioration from pressure, tight bandaging, wrapping up during menses. In GIT problems, nausea and vomiting after epileptic spasm. Transverse colon protrude like a pad. Pain in right ileocecal region with tender and distended abdomen. Aggravation from least jar or by slightest touch even of the bed cover. Obliged to walk with great care for fear of a jar. Fever during dentition with convulsions. Fever with bounding pulse like buckshot striking the fingers. With suppressed urine. With icy coldness of feet. With head hot and painful. With dryness of mouth without thirst. With wild staring eyes and dilated pupils. With sleepiness but cannot sleep. Female complaints are mainly prolapse, menstrual complaints and mastitis. In prolapse, pressing downward as if the content of abdomen would issue from the vulva. Prolapse amelioration from standing and sitting erect. Prolapse aggravation from mourning. Prolapse with dryness and heat of vagina. Prolapse with shooting pain in the internal genital part. Menses too early and too profuse. Menses is very offensive and hot. Menses with bright red blood with cutting pain from hip to hip. In mastitis with throbbing pain and redness, with heaviness and hardness. Skin complaints are mainly eruptions with cutting pain as if sliced with sharp knife on skin. Eruptions with redness and swollen tender glands. Eruptions in tongue looks like strawberry, especially in scarlet fever. Eruptions with alternate redness and paleness of skin. With dry, hot, burning skin imparts a burning sensation to examining hand. Eruptions with uniform, smooth, shining scarlet redness. Relation. Belladonna is acute of calcarea, which is often required to complete the cure, especially in semi-chronic and constitutional diseases. Antidotes of belladonna are camphor, coffea, opium and aconite. Non-homeopathic use. Atropine and its salt are used for ophthalmic purposes to dilate the pupils and paralyze the accommodation. Also used as a local anesthetic, antispasmodic and to dry up the secretions, milk, etc. And thank you. We'll see you with the next video presentation of medicine. Goyakam.